Okay, this video is actually a deck, so it's not very interactive, I'm afraid, but this is to give you a very brief overview of our strategy at Pixel BBQ with Agency 247, and albeit the product launches in the end of September 2017, we have quite a heavy development and roadmap. So I'd just like to take you through this to give you an idea of what we're doing. And these are my graphics, so please, I'm not a graphic person. I've worked with graphic designers for 25 plus years, but I'm not one. So please do not laugh at the graphics. So there's two parts to Agency 247. One is the internal part of my agency and running my agency. The other is running my clients and my day-to-day business. Now, the Agency 247 AMS, as we call it, the Agency Management System, will be launched probably beginning of 2018. The product has been in development for 2 years, and we've used it ourselves in our own agencies in our previous lives. And fundamentally, we developed it to work how we wanted it to work. I've worked with a number of systems, probably 3 or 4 over the last few decades. I'm not going to mention any names, but I don't like any of them. They're all too hard to use, they're expensive, some of them aren't cloud-based, yada, yada, yada. So, a bit like Victor Kayam, we liked ours so much we bought the company. We built ours to run a business. So it was built to solve a problem. It wasn't there for commercial use. We built it for ourselves to solve a problem because nobody else had one that we liked. So look at that brief, very little cloud diagram there. Basically, it manages production, manages your internal resources, manages your studio. And ultimately, it's pipeline, clients, jobs, production, time margin, and billing. So it's the start to finish. It's everything you need to have as an agency. Our AMS will do. So it's about centralizing management for customers, suppliers and contacts, keeping a database. So it's all your CRM in one place. I can manage my pipeline. I can create quotes and opportunities. I can create briefs and manage my briefs. I can add documents and internal memos to my jobs and to my clients. I can add and manage tasks and milestones on a job. And fundamentally, it's about managing my internal resources. So it can be the studio, it can be the account managers, the account directors, anyone. I can manage their time and progress on jobs in real time, and it will give me dynamic cost analysis of an ROI of every single job. I can obviously assign purchases and costs to that as well. So this is all about running your agency, making it more efficient, managing time and resources. It's no, in an open way, it's no different to any other agency management system out there. I just prefer ours to use. It's very powerful, but it's just simple and easy to use. It's based in the cloud, and it's from $49.50 a month, so it's peanuts. You'll get that back in 1 hour of using it. The key difference about Agency 247 and where we're different is client portals. So this is where you work with your clients. This is where this gets different to any other agency management system out there. So this takes you from the beginning of a job to the end of a job and beyond. It files the assets. Not only does it file the assets, the PDFs, the images, it files the toolkits. So in theory, it becomes your server. You can find a job and then find the InDesign files, find the proofs, find the fonts. This system is absolutely superb, and this is about managing your clients. So basically, you are the agency, and it's about briefing, it's collaboration, i.e. it's my timeline, it's what I'm doing with that job, who's saying what. It's giving me an indelible timeline to make sure that nobody kids, nobody lies. The briefing, it's locked down. When I create a brief, I can't change it. So it means that when you get to the end of the job, the account manager or the client can't turn around and go, well, actually, I didn't want that. Well, actually, yes, you did, because it's in the brief. If I want to change it later, that's fine. I do it in the timeline. And again, that's indelible. I can't change it. I can see what everyone's done. Version control of proofs. So I upload a proof. My stakeholders, internally and externally, they work on that proof, and then we upload a new one. But I can no longer work on the old one. I can see it, and I can see it on my mobile. I can annotate on my mobile on the train But I can't amend it. So I'm working on version control proofs. And then finally, we can have assets. So we've built a very powerful DAM. You know, most digital asset management systems cost a fortune. Ours is in there as part of the package from $49.50 a month. Okay, so each client can have their own DAM. So the client can have the benefit of their digital asset management system, a centralized storage system for documents, images, videos, you name it, any format you can put it in the DAM. Okay, and you can configure the DAM to do anything that you want it to do. So you can build each DAM around the client's business model. So in my demo videos, I've got a brewery. I'm putting point of sale materials in there. In the fashion retailer, I've got clothing. I'm even down to sizes of clothing and genres of clothing. So the power in the DAM is just one part of Agency 247, but it's a very integral part of it, and makes the briefing really, really simple. So you can add the final images straight into the brief, which means the designers are picking them up. They're not having to go and find them. So, you know, £49.50, you'll save that with guys going looking for assets on your server, okay? And you can have multiple clients. You can have as many clients as you want on Agency 247, and you can configure your portal to your client. You can change the colours, you can change the fonts, you can change the logos, everything is configured around the business model of your client. So it really is about best practice way of working. There is no better way of working with your clients than using Agency 247. We've been in this game for nearly 30 years, and nothing has ever done this. You know, there are lots of systems that do various bits, but you know, to quote one of our beta test users, you know, what we've done is combine the key ingredients of all the best software out there and put it in one place that's easy to use and made it cheap to get at. So I'm not going to bore you with all that stuff that I've covered off, but you know, there's an example of an agency MIS. So you've got Synergist, you've got Paprika, you've got Streamtime, there's Agency Core. There's a number of systems out there. I'm not going to knock any one of them. They're all very good at what they do, but they are not the same as Agency 247. Okay, there's Basecamp. It's a very, very you know, millions of people are using Basecamp. It's a great project management tool. It's got a great timeline feature. And people said that's how we want to work. So we've built a lot of functionality and features that Basecamp has got into our collaboration tools. Proof HQ, again, absolutely leading edge, cutting edge proofing system. Brilliant. Used it before with many, many clients. Again, people wanted to take features and benefits of Proof HQ and put them into Agency 247, so we did. Okay, Asset Bank, you know, again, leading edge asset management system. There are many, and lots of big clients use Asset Bank. It's superb, but again, you know, it's very expensive. Most people couldn't use Asset Bank, never mind the agency. So, you know, I'm not knocking any one of those brands there. They're all very good, and we've based a lot of our stuff on some of the stuff and functionality of these companies. Okay, but what we've done is we've built it and we've put it into one simple place. So we've got agency management, we've got collaboration, we've got proofing, we've got everything within Agency 247, and you can get it from $49.50 a month. Okay, if you want unlimited clients and pretty much unlimited users, then go for our unlimited client for $499.50. We'll change the way your agency works with its clients. You can have as many clients as you want, and subject to our fair usage policy, which everybody has to have one, you can store as much stuff as you want in there. Okay, that will run your agency and run your clients. Our agency management system comes free with our unlimited client user, Client 247. So you, for $499.50, you can have as many clients as you want, and you get the AMS free in that package. If you just want to use the AMS, again, you can, depending on what package you want, starts at $49.50 up to $249.50. But go for the unlimited Agency 247 client portal package. You'll get the AMS and you get unlimited. So that will change your agency both internally and externally for £500 a month. And I guarantee you'll get your money back in 1 hour of using it. Okay? So hosted in the cloud, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's so easy to set up. Most of it comes pre-configured. It's pay as you go. So it's monthly fee. If you don't want to use it anymore, just stop it. Okay? There's no contract, there's no risk. So that's us, that's Pixel BBQ. I'm Nick Aldrich. I hope you like what you're seeing, and just get over there and sign up. Get on the 30-day free trial and just play around with it. Have a go with it. If you don't like it, give me a call. Tell me what's wrong with it, and we'll fix it. Okay? Cheers.